Alright guys, so there's a story about a dude who lost 84 pounds drinking this simple homemade elixir every morning. Now, I'm not guaranteeing you get the same results in the amount of time that he got it, but it's worth a try and it's all natural and you're not looking at a one-day miracle or quick fix. It's something that you take consistently. Just my disclaimer. Alright? And so, Peter told me how he choked back tears of frustration when the doctor scolded him again about how much danger his weight was putting him in. It's not like he hadn't tried everything, and either the scale would barely budge and he'd give up after a couple of weeks, or he'd manage to lose some weight and then gain it all back in a weekend of bad choices, doing weeks of hard work in a couple of days. I bet you guys know exactly how that feels. That same experience where you just you binge over the weekend and you just put back all those pounds. A lot of it is water weight, but then there's a few factors involved, but keep listening. So even being scolded and terrified by the doctor didn't help. In fact, nothing helped until he stumbled on a shocking trick that he almost didn't try because it seemed too easy and too good to be true. Within days of starting this simple morning ritual, he could see changes in the mirror, and in 3 weeks he had lost so much weight that his momentum was unstoppable. In 3 weeks he lost 27 pounds. In 3 months he lost 84 pounds. Over a year later, he has not gained back an ounce. Check out these shocking pics he snapped. So that's the same guy. It was the armband tattoo. Alright, so simple home remedy you could use for this. Remember, this simple morning trick Peter used to win his life back so easy that he almost didn't even bother checking it out. So please don't make that mistake. Try Peter's odd little trick tomorrow morning and see for yourself. Click the link below to learn more. So guys, as easy as tomorrow morning, you can start seeing some results. Alright, you get this stuff, make it in the night, this evening, drink it on an empty stomach in the morning, and you start seeing some results. So click the link to learn more on how to make this recipe.